Sage. Just got this out of the garden. Incredible smell. So, everybody who's going to want me to cook up a turkey for this sage or do some saltimbocca. Saltimbocca is pretty good. I just thought I'd do something fairly simple. Something that you can do in about a half an hour. I'm thinking about making sausage. And the sausage I'm going to make is a American style breakfast sausage. So, very simple. First thing we need, I've got the sage. It's going to have a lot of sage in it. I've also got a few other things that are going in there. But of course, we start off with pork. So, I'm going to clean up this sage. And I got some thyme also. That needs to be cleaned up too. So, okay. Got our herbs all chopped up. I'd say it's about 2 tablespoons, maybe 3 tablespoons of sage and thyme. A little more sage than thyme. Now to get the rest of the ingredients in here. I'm going to throw some gloves on because it's going to get squishy. Okay. First step, salt. Need a bit. That's 2 good sized pinches. Black pepper. Go as much as you want on that. If you like it real peppery, you can do that. I'm going to show you my variation in just a minute. Most recipes I see don't call for it, but I like it. Throw in some garlic. For a little bit of sweetness, I've got some molasses. So, I've got Chipotle powder. It'll use just a little bit. That's maybe half a teaspoon. And to round out the pepper flavor, I'm going to throw in some of my ancho. So, traditional, the garlic wouldn't be in there. The chilies, maybe you could throw in some red pepper flake. The molasses, probably not. Fennel seed is probably a big one going into these. But I think we got a good combination here. So I'm just going to mix this all up by hand and okay, everything's completely put together, integrated. Need to give it a chance to for the flavors to marry. I'm going to throw it in the refrigerator for half an hour, and it's going to do another thing. It's going to help the fat solidify a little bit. With me working it there, the heat from my hand is going to cause the fat to melt just a little bit. Even with the, well, what little thermal protection these offer. Okay, I'm going to give this a half hour